My name is Darren Gertis, and if you can give me 2 minutes, I can help you become a better instructor. So Thomas asked a great question, and it's one that we're all going to face if we haven't already. So here's his question. He said, two quick things. One, how do I set up the gradebook generally, altering columns, weights, etc.? And I'm going to address that a little bit, but I'm going to really address the second question. And number two, how do I instruct students where to turn their assignments in, and then how to grade? And I'm going to answer this question. For example, when they write an essay, I've assigned, I don't want 34 emails of essays. Absolutely, you shouldn't want 34 emails of essays. So here's what you do. Let's go into any Blackboard course, and what we're going to do is we're going to create an assignment. Okay, so I'm going to go into a current course. I'm going to call this the Thomas assignment. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go wherever you're going to place the assignments, and this may change. In fact, it'll change next semester, but wherever you want to put the assignments, let's say I just want to, and make sure the edit mode is on. Click on in the upper right hand corner. I'm going to create something. I'm going to call it assignment, and then I'm going to call it the Thomas assignment. Okay, turn in your essay about how awesome Thomas is. Okay, and then it's going to be worth certain things. So the due date, I'm going to make it due on Wednesday at midnight. So I scroll down, end of the day, and then it's going to have 50 points possible. And I'm not going to add a rubric right now. I'm making the assignment available, and I'm going to click submit. So now what's going to happen is that is going to auto-populate a 50-point essay assignment. Now I'm going to move this off screen for just a moment while I do something, because I want to keep grades hidden. So here's my grade book, and I'm going to look all the way over to the side, and we're going to see it's created the Thomas assignment. Okay, so it'll auto-populate here under the Thomas assignment. Now, what's also interesting about this is if I go back in my gradebook, when there's something that needs to be graded, what you'll do is you'll see a little, so in this assignment, this just came up over the weekend. So I'm doing this on a Sunday. On Saturday, this second part was due, and so that's why you see the exclamation point, because they just populated. If you click on the arrow, you can grade user activity, and you just go right down that column from your gradebook, and that's how you can get the Thomas assignment completed. All right, so it's all in the right place. Once you create that assignment, again, you create that assignment on wherever you want to within Blackboard, and then you just direct them to that. Okay, I hope that's helpful, and I hope that helps answer at least part 2 of Thomas's question about how to create and where to grade an assignment. So that's all for now. If you're a CSU faculty member and you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. I'm here to serve you.